Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today we are going to check if the face unlock is fast and reliable on this device. So let's grab it, and right now we are going to lock and unlock the device for like 5 times or something like that, and we are going to check if it is working fast. So let's try. As you can see, it recognizes my face all the time. It's not that fast or like on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, but it's reliable. It unlocks every time. So yeah, what I can say, it works really good, and I can recommend you this device if you are thinking about good face unlock protection. So, thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.